The problem here is asking us to find the student's weighted mean grade point score, like a GPA. So for the weighted mean, the formula we're thinking of is x bar equals the sum of x times w divided by the sum of w. There's a lot of information packed into this problem. One thing we're told is how many points each letter grade is worth. Another thing we're told is what grades the student made in these classes. And then finally, we know how many credits each class was. So let's get organized. Let's list the grades that this student made. Like they made a B in 2 classes, so I'm going to list B twice. They made an A in 1 class and a D in 1. Then the last class was a C. So up in the information at the top there, telling us how many points each grade is worth. So I can see, for instance, that a B is worth 3 points. So I'll put 3 next to each of these B's. And A is worth 4 points. A D is worth 1 point. And a C is worth 2 points. So next to D I'll put 1. Next to C I'll put 2. Another piece of information that we're given is how many credits each class is worth. So let's also make a list of those. The classes that they earned B's in were each worth 4 credits. So under credits next to B we'll put 4 both times. The A was in a 3-credit class. The D was also in a 3-credit class. And the C was in a 2-credit class. So we're going to need to multiply these sets of numbers to find the x times w, like the formula asks for. In other words, 3 times 4 is 12, 4 times 3 is 12, 1 times 3 is 3, and 2 times 2 is 4. Those results need to be added up. So we want the total of 12, 12, 12, 3 and 4. Looks like it comes to 43. And we're beginning to have the information we need to plug into our formula. The 43 is going to go on top. And then we need to know what to divide by. So we want to add up the W, or the weight. The trick to figuring out which set of numbers is the W is in the question. They want to know the student's weighted mean grade point score. So whatever they're asking for, that's going to be the X. So the points here are the X numbers. And then the other information, like the credits, will be the weight. In this case, these are the W values. So that's what we want to add up and divide by. 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 means we want to divide by 16. So 43 divided by 16. And we're asked to round to the nearest tenth as needed. Tenth means 1 decimal place, so we want to look at the 2nd decimal place, the 8. Since that's bigger than 5, we're going to round this up to 2.7. So the 2.6875 rounds up. And 2.7 is the mean grade point score.